welcome back to my channel. So today, the penultimate day of my declutter challenge, I'm going to talk to you about ways that I declutter my mind. Now, making money online is kind of stressful. Like, I'm always sitting here thinking, how can I make more money online? How can I use my money to pay off my debts, which is something you know that I'm trying to do at the moment. How can I make more money for my clients using like marketing? How can I market? And sometimes this just gets way too much for my brain, like seriously, way too much for my brain. And I find there are two ways that I can declutter my mind weekly and daily that tend to help. So my first one and my number one tip for you to declutter your mind is to do a weekly mind map, weekly brain dump, just get it all out. Like, I will always have a notebook by my bed in case I wake up in the middle of the night and think of something that I need to remember. I just scribble it down. But essentially once a week, or when I'm feeling a little bit stressed, I will get a notepad and I will sit down and I will just write shit down on a piece of paper. When I've written all that shit down, I kind of then start to plan it all together and start to like connect the dots, to say, and everything gets out of your brain, becomes a hell of a lot more manageable when you've got everything in your brain. Like, how am I going to make money online? How am I going to market this product? You just get so bewildered, and that's not good. So number one is to do a mind map and a mind up. Number two, and I know you've probably heard it a million times, but that is to meditate or take some time out. For me, my meditation when I feel stressed tends to be a really hot, bubbly bath. Like, that is how I meditate, how I relax. I run myself a bath, I sit there, I turn the lights off, and I just relax and meditate in that state. Now, there are lots of apps like Headspace, there is another one, but I use Headspace, that you can do on a daily, or just when you're feeling stressed, little 5-minute guided meditation that is meant to do wonders for you, like wonders for you. Like, there are a million people out there who preach it, so I'm not going to preach it again, but honestly, try it. Just sitting, or just even running yourself a bath and sitting there in peace for 5 minutes, just 5 minutes of peace, will help you declutter your mind so much, and you become more effective. These two ways to declutter your mind is more effective. I know it sounds heebie-jeebie-ish, but honestly, when your mind is clear, you can achieve anything, do anything. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you've got any ways that you tend to declutter your mind, or what your routine is for decluttering your mind and kind of your mind mapping and everything like that, because I'd love to know if you've got a more effective way of doing it than the traditional ways. And I will see you tomorrow for the final video. Bye!